Hey everybody, it's Todd and Carla. We're up here at Stone Mill. We're doing a little off-roading with our off-road club. It's called GBR, and it's the anniversary, so we're up here celebrating for the weekend. And so we're doing a little off-roading and a little camping and just a little playing in the woods. So this is our mountain house for the weekend. We're actually boondocking in the field at a off-road event for our club, 4x4 club. Thankfully we have a generator, so we're able to fire that up and have some power to run the AC because it sure is humid. We're up against the creek here. Generator, I bought a resonator, which is kind of like a muffler. As you can see, it's sticking out. It's kind of a temporary thing. I just clamped it on there on the end of the tailpipe just to quiet it down. I got to actually put it on with a more permanent solution, most likely welding it on. Walk on around the truck here. Here's the field. We're actually at a property of one of the guys that actually the president of the club, of the Georgia Bounty Runners. This is his property, his personal property, and there are several off-road trails throughout the property, and he actually just did install some campsites with power and water. I don't know how many he has there, 6, 7, 8, something like that. And we missed out. We got here a little late. We got here this morning. Most of them were taken yesterday, so we're boondocking, and thankfully we're able to do that just fine and comfortably, and we're good to go. Just wanted to show you our spot for the weekend. Here's one of the lakes on the property, full of catfish and a bunch of other fish, but I believe it does have a lot of big catfish in here. Everybody goes fishing when they come up, and goes camping and going four-wheeling. How do you like this for a driveway to get up to your house? It's gravel and dirt, but it's bumpy
and high
and steep, and parts of it are rutted out. I go over this way. Carla, you go to the right. You got it. Keep going. Keep going. Keep going. Now turn left. Yep. We're good. Not only do you need a four-wheel drive to get up to the house, you gotta hope that nobody else is coming down. Otherwise it gets a little sketchy. Because over here to the side is a real steep drop. There's a nice scenic view from one of the members' homes here at the top of the mountain. I don't want to show you his house due to respect for him, but I would like to show you the view. Off in the distance, the mountains. Feel winded after hiking up the...
I know. Look at that. Look over there. That almost looks like a trail. Oh, this is a beautiful view.
So this is a on the property gun range. I guess he recently built a covered area for it. And sometimes the property owner will hold some gun shoots and try to raise money for different charities. This gun cabana is named Kathleen's Cabana after the young lady there you see in the photo. She passed away this year. She was the daughter of the former president of the club for GBR, and unfortunately she was in a bad accident earlier this year and passed away, and they named this gun shooting area and cabana after her, Kathleen's Cabana. Taylor's just gonna sit down.
Pretty cool.
Very cool. Wow.
I mean, it's like looks like driftwood.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Film there's the food. Yeah. It's got at least storm and rain one time over the weekend. Frozen solid. Bluebell.
Bluebell.
Ice cream. It's the good stuff. Look at all that. Bluebell ice cream. Thanks to Bluebell and Greg right here. Thank you, Greg. This is Greg.
How you doing?
Tell us about your Samurai. What year is it? And tell us a little about it.
Actually, it's an 88 and a half. It was the last year they imported the 10 top. Mid-year they made some changes in the suspension. I built everything myself. It's got 8.5 inches of lift.
8.5 inches of lift. That's a lot of lift.
Of course, larger tires.
What size are those tires?
34 950s.
34 950s. Okay.
Transfer case gears, 6.5 to 1. Twin sticks. Lockers front and rear. Did the Geo Tractor 1.6 upgrade.
What is that? Oh, the motor? Yeah.
4-cylinder 1.6, a
Yeah.
little bit bigger. Lot of work in it.
Yeah, I like that sticker.
Yeah, it's like Intel.
A lot of money, but
Yeah, a lot of money. It adds up fast, that's for sure.
it's fun.
It does on all the off-roaders, no matter what you got. Currently driving. Doing some off-roading. This is a creek bed that a lot of times it's dried up. It just happens to have some water in it because it's been raining so much the past several days. It's usually more of just a rocky trail. Whoa, stop. Forward. Go, straighten up. Straighten up, turn driver. There you go. There you go, watch the tree. There you go, you gotta just go straight. Go straight. There you go, go ahead and turn. Driver. So this is our Jeep that we're off-roading in this weekend. This is it's a 2004 Jeep LJ. It's the long wheelbase Wrangler. It's got a lift on it. My old lift, it's like 3 inches, I think, something like that. It's running on 33 1250 tires. It's got a worn winch, some aftermarket bumpers. It's got lockers front and rear, ARB lockers front and rear. If anybody knows what that is, that's watching the video. But it's pretty well set up for off-roading. It's not a beast of a trail rig, but it is a very good trail rig, and it'll pretty much tackle most trails. Except for some of the real severe ones, but it's just fun for getting out and doing some trail riding and playing in the woods. Full Throttle Ministries, they're actually doing the barbecue for the evening dinner. Cooking up all kinds of barbecue. I don't know what he's got in there, but it smells good.
Get him to open it.
Beans on this side. Looks good. That thing's got counterweights. So when you open the lid, it's got counterweights to help with the weight of the lid, because it's steel, I guess. It's heavy. Sure does smell good. Well, it's hard to see. It's all wrapped up in there.
Smells good, Dad.
Smells awesome. Yeah, I know this is Chase. I didn't know its name was Gertrude.
Yeah, it's named Gertrude.
Land Rover Defender 90, I believe it is. 90 as in the model, not the year. This is Carrie's Toyota Land Cruiser. This thing's awesome. I don't know what year it is. With a classic Land Rover next to it. We'll check that out here in a second.
Oh, I wonder whose that is.
It's very nice.
Yeah.
Classic Land Rover. Believe it or not, that thing actually does pretty well off-road. Hey everybody, well that's it for this weekend. We're going home. I'm driving the truck and hauling the camper, and Carla's in the Jeep and taking it on back to the house. But I just wanted to say I appreciate you watching. Please subscribe, hit the like button, and we'll see you next time on Runaway Roses.